fucking TV. I don't have no watch. Y'all said 1:30. It is 1:20. Why are you early? But okay, my room is clean, so I can show y'all around. Let's go. Let me go on back. What's up everybody, and welcome to my crib. Okay, so today I am going to be giving y'all the all-inclusive and very much exclusive dorm tour, okay, of my dorm. And so for those of y'all who don't know, I am at Mercer University, and this dorm tour is going to be of Boone Hall. So currently, if y'all are interested in coming to Mercer University, y'all have not toured the residence hall because of, you know, Corona. So I'm gonna give y'all the all-exclusive, all-inclusive dorm tour. Okay, if you're new here, don't be scared, don't be shy, just stick around. You're gonna love it here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to. You can wait, but if you want to, go ahead and hit it. All right, let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off here at my door. So as y'all can see up here on the door, I have all of my little headbands and little things that I wear on my hair and stuff. And right here, y'all should probably look into getting y'all one of these too. So this is my keychain, and let me tell you why I put it on my door. I'm gonna act it out for you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm in a rush. I'm late for class. I forgot my keys, but look at this. Oh my goodness, I'm in a rush. I'm late for class. I got my keys, okay? Reason I hang the keys here is because you just can't miss them, okay? If they're right on your door, as you're having to leave the room every time, you literally can't miss them. But so first things first, so when you live in Boone Hall, this is the overview of the room. Okay, and so I would say the room is about 11 by 11. And so first things first, each room comes equipped with a desk, a chair, a sink, a bed, one set of dressers, another bed, another set of dressers, and another guest. So per roommate, okay, right? And so basically in my room, you know, trying to save the planet, so I have my little cardboard trash can down here along with my vacuum. And then this is my toiletry bag, because I'm not going to show you guys the community bathroom because of course it's a community bathroom and I don't want to violate nobody's privacy. But we have community bathrooms and they are right down the hall. And so Boone, our hall kind of has one side, and then there's a turn, then there's another side. And so we have two bathrooms for kind of each side of the hall. So there's never like a line for showers, or all the stalls are never taken up. I think it just kind of works with everybody, like everybody's schedule, and it's just never crowded in there, okay? And so I got this today, y'all. This is my desk mirror. We're gonna sit down and try it out, okay? So look at this, y'all. It is so beautiful. And so it has magnification on one side. Yes, they're getting free promo. And so look, I'm gonna hit the button. Oh, this button I think controls the brightness, right? And so then this button changes the light, okay, y'all? It changes the light. And I just really love that. I got this today, okay? But anyways, off of that, so then I have my printer. And so y'all will figure out when y'all get here, if y'all decide to come here, that you're gonna need a printer cord. If you're thinking about bringing a printer, bring a printer cord, because the printer for some odd reason does not work well on Mercer Wi-Fi. But anyways, so I'm gonna hit the light so y'all can see my decor, my decorum. Let me hit all these lights. And so yeah, there's a light above the sink too. And it's cool that we have a sink because most rooms like don't have sinks, so yeah. But anyway, so this is my decorum. I have LED lights going around the entire room. And then over here on this section, this is the spare bed. I just put this cute little pink blanket over it to make it look cute. But yeah, so this is my wall. It's a little picture wall, and there's a J right there. And then I have little music plaques going all around. And so yeah, let me turn these lights back on, guys. Let me turn these lights back on. But oh yeah, I didn't show y'all, but the LED lights actually change colors. So we're gonna change the color to orange for Mercer. And so yeah, now it's orange. Like, oh my goodness. But anyways, so next up we have the closet, and so I'm going to show you guys the empty closet just so y'all can kind of get a look of the space. And so here's an empty closet, y'all. I cannot come in this closet. Okay, yeah, the closet is about this size. My back is on the wall, and yeah, then there's a little extra storage thing up there or whatever. And yeah, so that's the closet space. There's a little, I guess, towel ramp on each door. Okay. And so then under here is where your outlets are. And for those of y'all who didn't know, because I just discovered today, I went out and bought me a cable cord. And so I'm gonna talk about this as humbly as I can. And yes, I say humble because I have cable. Okay, I have cable in my room. So if you want to channel surf and not have to worry about Netflix, get you a cable cord, okay? And so next up, I brought my microwave and my fridge. They're both red because I had the fridge first and the fridge was red, so I thought it was only right that I got the microwave. And I only have water in my fridge or whatever because I haven't went shopping for any food or drinks yet. And then over here, I just got my suitcases. And so then I bought this little compartment or whatever to put snacks and things in. Got Starburst on deck, you know what I'm saying? Got tea and just like peanut butter and stuff down there. And then under my bed, I'm not gonna go under there, but under my bed I have a little compartment or a chest or whatever that I store like some more of my stuff in. But yeah, so if y'all decide that y'all want to bunk the beds, y'all can do that, and that would definitely open up like so much space for y'all in y'all's room. If y'all want to bunk the beds, y'all can. It'll give y'all a lot more space in y'all room. But overall, I would say Boone Hall's rooms are pretty nice. They're definitely not spacious, so you and your roommate, you know, y'all gonna be kind of close, okay? But the alternative to these first year living, it would be Boone, Porter, Legacy, and Plunkett, okay? I'm gonna rate them best to worst. I would say Legacy number 1, Porter, I think Porter and Boone are tied for 2. Then Plunkett, of course, would be last. But anyways, in Porter you have the opportunity to, you know, purchase like a larger room. So if you and your roommate wanted to purchase like a, I think it's called a quad, yeah, if y'all wanted to buy a quad and y'all two stay in it, y'all can get that room for extra cost. I think it's like $3,500 versus this room, which is like $2,700. Not cheap, y'all, not cheap. So that's why I'm saying go grab y'all cable cords, use up every cent of the money you paid for this room, okay? But anyways, oh yeah, let me show y'all the thermostat. And so you can control your thermostat, and so these are the controls. I have mine on low, and it's kind of in the middle, and that's because the thermostat, the way the HVAC works, is kind of in a majority rules type way. So because it's cold outside, most people have their heat on, and so by default it gets warm. But during the summertime, say you're, you know, like me, and I want to be a little warm still in my room, it's not going to come out warm because everybody else has their AC on. And so that's like a downer, but you can still somewhat control it. Like sometimes it's also dependent on the weather outside. So say for example right now, if it's blowing out in the middle, kind of cool, but say the temperature outside drops 10 degrees, oh my gosh, it's just gonna get hot out of nowhere, y'all. Like literally out of nowhere. But yeah, so that's that on the thermostat. And so I'll just give y'all one more look around the room just to see. Now this time I'm gonna do it from the corner over by the closets, okay? But anyways, thank y'all for showing up to my dorm tour today. Make sure y'all give MTV a warm welcome and a warm farewell, okay? But anyways, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. If you want to see more content like this, if y'all want to see more of my content, hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see y'all on my next video.